जन्नत भी गवारा है मगर मेरे लिए, ऐ कातिब तकदीर मदीना लिख दे। ताजदारे हरम हो निगाहे करम, ताजदारे हरम हो निगाहे करम। हम गरीबों के दिल भी सवर जाएंगे, हामिए बेकसा क्या कहेगा जहां, हामिए बेकसा क्या कहेगा जहां। आपके दर से खाली अगर जाएंगे, ताजदारे हरम, ताजदारे हरम। So we are going to continue recording some of the verses from my favorite kalams, and I'm going to shoot more videos for you. And I hope this situation gets over with. We get done with it, and not many people should get affected by it. And inshallah, very soon we should be able to visit our beloved. We should be able to pray and recite this. All of us should get a chance to visit and recite this at the birthplace of our Prophet and at the Roza Rasul. So stay blessed, all of you, and stay safe.